Here with my Miele dishwasher. Just got some more of these champagne glasses, or coupes as they're called, and they're a little kind of I don't know what the word is, kind of dull from the packaging. God knows how long they've been in that box. But yeah, they do come out lovely. I've got another set of these. Anyway, it just occurred to me that I've never tried Gentle Cycle. So these are, I bought them from some sort of website that sells kitchen stuff to restaurants. So I can't believe these are just hand wash only, although I did read that somewhere. But anyway, we will see. I guess this will be the test. Obviously wouldn't want to be doing this weekly, but I feel like an initial blast in the dishwasher just before I use them this weekend for a party won't be a bad thing. So I've put those all on the little shelf. Whoops, just trying to arrange that one slightly. I've put the grey spikes down, which has given me a bit more room. And this FlexCare thing didn't really help the situation whatsoever, so we're just going to leave that. So I'm just going to push it back very carefully now, making sure I didn't hit anything. 1 or 2 bits of cutlery, and then some bowls and plates which I've used over dinner, and it's just a waste if I left them out. So I'm going to pop them at the bottom and hope they get a reasonably decent wash. I've already got Gentle selected there, which I've definitely never used. It's saying it's going to take 2 hours 20. If I just try and reselect that, and then an estimate, quite a lot of energy there. Don't know why. It should be Gentle. And 2 hours. I might just see what Express does. Yeah, that's taking it down to 1 hour 50. I can't believe these need that long, so I'm going to keep Express on there. Obviously using Autodos as always, and that is about half full, I'd say, in there. So let's give these a whirl and see how they come out. So it's filling up from the cold water supply. Interesting, as it would have had a tank full of water in it from a wash I did earlier. So I guess we'll be able to hear the pitch of the motor and be able to tell if that's any gentler than what I'm used to hearing. So I guess that's more of a trickle than what I usually hear on the auto and eco programs. And it's just cycling up bottom, middle and top racks. Can't really tell which is which. I would say that's the bottom at the moment. Of course, being empty as well, it's going to be a bit noisier. definitely sounds a little gentler. So we'll let that carry on, and I will film the final results, drying performance and wash performance when this is done. So just draining now after a very quick pre-wash, all of under 10 minutes I'd say. So you can tell by that hum, it's now filling up from the heat exchanger or heat accumulator. There we go. So, hopefully those whirring sounds picked up. That's the Autodos now dispensed. We have a sneaky little peek. You can see the water slightly foamy, so it's just dispensed. It's still cold. I don't see any broken glass yet, so we can only hope these are going to come out okay. So we are next morning now, tried the gentle cycle with some new champagne glasses. Don't see any broken glass on the bottom, which is a good thing. And look at that, they are lovely. Whoops, a bit wet on the stems there. And clean and sparkling. So I'm really pleased with those results. Doesn't look like it's done them too much harm. Just got to dry the bottom of the stem there. There's a bit of water collected in most of them, which is to be expected, but otherwise very pleased with how that has come out nice and sparkling.